you know how much be things now for market?
Now so.
Yeah, the current prices for food items now for market, whether na bread or whether na garri, whether na anything.
Hey,
you get
bread. Bread will be my best friend.
Yeah.
Okay, right. You see that bread that day?
How much now you sell her now?
1,600 from 800 naira first original.
From 800 to 1,600.
Last week, my bread I buy for 100 naira.
Yeah.
100 naira bread is now 200 naira.
That means they put another 100 naira on top.
They put another 100 naira on top.
Okay.
900 na 1,000. 900 naira bread.
Yes.
Now 1,200.
1,200. They put 200 naira on top.
Yes.
Now wow. All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Shinkafa yanzu roba daya. 2,500.
Rice 1 pint 2,500. Chikaba.
So yanzu kuma mai gora 1,000.
He say groundnut oil 1 gallon, this thing now 1,000.
How much before?
Now another.
Da 250 muna saya ai.
He say before now 250.
But now much.
But now 1,000 naira. One bottle. My.
Are you serious, madam?
Wait, how can they?
Haka ne.
He say na so.
Sure. Oh yeah, continue. What else
Chikaba
again?
Kuba. Shike no?
Yeah, shike now, madam.
Don't finish.
Shike now.
Make I talk of this issue of bread.
Yes.
We Nigerians stop to deceive ourselves.
Okay.
When they want to increase the Bakers Association of Nigeria,
Yeah.
when they want to do, they say they want to go outside because of cost of materials.
Yeah.
And then they stop production on Thursday.
Yeah.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
The next thing where we see in agreement.
Okay.
That is how they do something.
Okay.
You do the strike. Which people strike with you? What have you done? Did you cry for the federal government to listen to your cry?
Okay.
They have reduced the price of the flour. The next thing to come up that to increase. Anytime they want to increase,
Yeah.
they do not tell us that they want to go on strike.
Yeah.
They will just tell us that they
want to increase.
That is finished. That's the best thing for me. This Wayo is something I don't like it.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Chief. Because what? Thank you so much. I be like, bros, get point there. Hello, the phone line. Yes.
Yeah, this is Trumpet.
All right, let's go, sir.
Yeah, I proceed.
Yes, sir.
I want to correct this guy because I hear the news clearly from Ike Chuku Onyemike, the Bush himself.
Okay.
These people, before they go on strike or making this break to day high,
Yeah.
they say that they are about shutting down.
Okay.
Yes, that they say it openly.
Yeah.
That for some, before 2 to 3 days, they are shutting down. That the cost of the material they use to produce bread,
Yes.
it's at a high level.
Yes.
They say it on news, so everybody hear it. So I don't understand what this our brother is saying.
Okay.
They say they don't just go strike like that or put money. No.
Okay.
They say that the production is on high for them
Yeah.
to succeed.
Okay.
Don't believe a kilo of chicken in this country now.
Yeah.
Whether they say 250, 500 before highest 1,000.
Yeah.
It's now 2,500.
For a kilo of chicken.
Very tiny chicken like berries something. Why? No, you know big at all.
Yeah.
How many pieces inside, my brother? For this country, where is it?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Okay.
I rest my case here.
All right, thank you, Tropula.
This thing where Trumpet talk, you know say before 1 kilo na 950. They can't carry them to 1,500 naira. Now they don't carry them go 2,500 naira. And if you cut them, average pieces where you go get for inside that 1 kilo, you go get 8 pieces, 7 pieces of chicken.
So now how many pieces you can get now?
Now the same 8 pieces, 7
but
pieces.
The money don't
but
go
the
up.
money don't go
You
up.
don't go even see enough flesh inside.
Concerning the cost of things in the market.
Yes, boss.
On the area of this bread something,
Yeah.
they tell us they wanted to go to strike.
Yeah.
Not knowing that they want to increase. Then at the end of the whole thing, they tell us that bread, no more bread is 15 naira, bread is 100 naira.
Okay.
100 naira bread is 200 naira.
Yeah.
Did they announce it? And I said, which kind of strike these people want to go?
Yeah.
They want to tell the government to reduce the flour or to reduce the sugar or to reduce the, and at the end the government does not reduce anything.
Okay.
What we had is that the bread is now
100 naira, 200 naira.
Yeah.
So we don't want it again. If they want to increase, let them tell us that they want to increase. And it will be okay.
Okay.
Well done. God bless you people.
Bless you too, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Amen.
Anyway, now the same thing this bros and that chief shall talk, but Trump they counter say not be so.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.